Right, welcome back, and today we've been working on this 2022 Skoda Fabia Estate, and it's come in for factory front parking sensors to work seamlessly with the rear sensors that it's already got. Let's take a look. So as you can see, 4 colour-coded parking sensors, all in their factory locations. So you know, if you saw another Fabia on the road that had them from factory, it's not going to look any different. They're all stuck on, and then we glue and then tape as well, just for that sort of you know, to make them as secure as possible, and also meaning that hopefully when you're cleaning them, as long as you're not blasting them super close with a pressure washer, water shouldn't affect them and they won't drop off like you sometimes see with factory sensors, because obviously water gets in, degrades that adhesive, and they drop off. So these should be all good. And then obviously all the cabling is run through up to the new module, which now has, weirdly on a Fabia, because it's only got 3 sensors on the back, it counts as a 7-channel. Yeah, up to the new module in there, where the old module was fitted. New sounder, all coded in and working, so completes that parking package. So we'll go and have a sit in the car, show you it all on the screen. Right, so popping the car into reverse, parking sensors come on. Obviously that's currently the rears that are showing up because we're in reverse. As soon as we go into first, now we've got the front sensors are fully activated, and then when we turn the wheels, you get your guidelines as well to show the trajectory of the vehicle. They're set to automatically activate, so if you're driving forwards into a space, then they'll start working and everything. But if you wanted to, you can also use the new button that's been fitted on the side. So I've just turned them off with the button, or you can turn them back on. And then as you're pulling away after manoeuvring or anything like that, once you get over 10 miles an hour, it'll automatically turn itself off, so you don't have to worry about turning it off. And then because it's all factory fitted and coded in, if we go, we're currently in the car menu, if we go into settings, we then go into parking manoeuvring, and we've got all the front volume and the front tone settings. So obviously we can then tweak those depending on people's hearing and things like that. Might want it to be louder, might want it to be quieter, might be easier if it's a different tone or things like that. So then that's about it really. That is factory fitted front parking sensors on a 2022 Skoda Fabia Estate. If you've got a car like this and you want to complete your parking system, then get in contact, jump onto the website, fill out the contact form, give us all the details about the car and things, and then we will go from there. In the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe, keep on watching all the videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.